To use a debit card through Apple Pay, you must first add the card to Apple Wallet. Begin by opening Apple Wallet on your phone, where you'll see a list of all your existing cards and electronic tickets. In the top right corner, tap the plus button to access the Add to Wallet screen. From there, select Debit or Credit Card, and then tap Continue. You can either scan the card to allow the details to be recognized automatically, or enter the information manually by typing in your name and card number. Then tapping Next in the top right corner. Next, select the expiration date and enter the 3-digit security code. Then tap Next again. After a moment, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've done so, the debit card will be added to Apple Wallet, enabling you to use it for purchases.